Hey, two things. We know it, but we don't know if you know it. We know that you're here on earth to buy and sell. Ndị ekendi oyi, ndị afọ ndị nkwọ. We know that you're here to plant and harvest. Ndị ekendi oyi, ndị afọ ndị nkwọ. But do you know it? All of a sudden, the destroyer has come in. The people that are supposed to be buying and selling here on earth are now the people that are worshiping. And when they look at themselves, what do they have? Not even the good. They now have shadows, nothing. The people that are supposed to be planting it here on earth in order to feed humanity, they are no longer planting it and they are now fighting wars, making wars against one another. Enmity has been planted. And what do they even have? Do they have the good? What did they get? Nothing. Nothing. Shadows. Hey, you're wondering whose voice are you hearing today, being the 314th day on this journey? Matt is leading the way. LTB Light Premier Coach number one, Coach Emin, leading the way, presiding right now. There's a reason why you're here. It's not by mistake whatsoever. Calm down, relax. There's a reason. Prehistorically, you see, when the prodigal son goes too far away, nature has a way of bringing him back to his senses and to reality. The plagues is doing its work. We are not here to tell you, hey, the destroyer is God or God is the destroyer. That's not our mission here. We're only here to call you back to enlightenment for you to know yourself and who you are and begin to buy and sell. We're only here to call you back and welcome you and assure you, not to condemn you and say, hey, enough of the vagabond. Either you buy and sell or you plant and harvest here on earth. Welcoming our people in their millions into the global market. Not come out from that local market and do it and prove your worth and earn according to your abilities and potentials. Place the right value to your life, to your own time on earth. Place the right value to your own treasures on earth. Don't be undervalued. Don't allow your treasures to be unvalued. You see, when you don't have the inner eyes, you are undervalued, you are underpaid, indentured servitude, indirectly. All your sweat goes in vain. You plant your corn in the east, it's eaten in the west. Because your eyes is closed, you're blind for goodness sake. You see, the word building plan that we institute here, it's that you have to stand up now. You don't have to kneel down before anybody, aka under any disguise, and you don't have to close your eyes. And the question is, why would you even have to close your eyes? Why do Africans, Argentinians, Mexicans, why do they have to close their eyes? Why? Like an animal. Why? That is the question that Matt is asking today. Well, if you are here, there's a reason why you're here. ETA brought you here. An LTB Light team member wants you to see exactly what they're seeing. Wants you to begin to use your hands for goodness sake. Hey, wants you to begin to walk with the sun, with your legs and with your hands. You see, when you walk with the sun with your hands, you can never be poor. You can never go broke. When you walk with your legs and hand together with the sun as it goes from east to west, you can never be poor. Remain right here. We're going to close this very deal. This is that very moment now for you to put your hands, pushing the wheels of civilization. Let it reach your own children. This is now for you to enter into the ark of covenant so that you'll be protected and defended here on earth. It's not wealth building per se to please your flesh and your body and your soul and your mind. It's wealth building by serving humanity with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul. LTB Light Premier Coach, Amen, presiding right now, calling you to action. The person that brought you here knows, has the full confidence that we are going to deliver. Have you been following us and you have not uh, stood up in action to download your own sheets, the LTB plan, light plan, web building plan? Do it now. If today is your first day coming here, you're welcome. There's a reason why you came here. Something phenomenal is happening in our world. Well, follow the hands of the successful. If you want to be successful, if you want to be an inventor on earth, inventors are millionaires, Investor on earth, investors are millionaires, Marketers, great marketers, they are millionaires, If you want to do it here on earth, begin to do it right now today. Download the LTB Light Well Building Plan. Remember them. Your own great ancestors, Atum, started to do it. Imagine how they are done to the dead. Imagine what the living will look like. Choice gold. It grieves our heart that people who have never seen good, known good in this very earth, knows suddenly, all of a sudden, suddenly knows how to lead you to God. I don't have no problem with that, but think twice about it. Does it mean nothingness? You be the judge. Today is every day for you to put your hands in this very wagon and push it. Civilization to reach your own people, your own land. No more excuses. Okay? It's a 1001 day journey. Welcome here on this 340th day. Do remain here with us. Okay? Be here tomorrow. 341st day we are here. Despite weather condition, whether it come rain, come sunshine, we're here. Be here with us. Okay, we love you. All due respect to you. We appreciate your presence here. Let it be like Coach Emin signing off right now. To go and attend to other duties. Okay, and responsibilities. Do be well. Thank you. Go right now and begin to ask for good. Thank you.